What the up mga ka-foodie? Welcome back! Ready na ba kayo for another epic food adventure dito sa Pinas? Amoy pa lang sa kanto, grabe, nakakatakam na naman. Handa na ba ang mga tiyan nyo? Ngayon, hahuntingin natin ang mga the best at pinakamabentang street eats sa buong Pilipinas. From sweet and spicy treats hanggang sa mga deep-fried goodness na siguradong mapapawaw ka, we are taking Filipino street food to the next level, kaya ay handa na ang inyong mga appetite. Tara, simulan na natin ang lamunan, let's eat!
We have chicken intestine. That's what we're about to eat. In some vinegar, see how it tastes. I'm have mixed feelings with how it tastes.
And we are here. Unang stop natin, ang paborito ng lahat, ang classic tusok-tusok sa kanto.
Pork siomai. Let's try it. I put more sauce on.
Look at this banana cube, guys.
You want this?
Yes. The hot dog.
Yeah. Go and try it. Hot dog.
Give me another hot dog there.
Another hot dog. Guys, it's so hot, man. Yeah? This?
Yeah.
That should be fun.
Sucks.
Guys, we're such newbies at this, like, we didn't know what to do. Let's try it. This is the fish bowl. What's your favorite, guys? I think mine's fish bowl. Hot dog. Ooh, chicken. And then chicken bowl. It's hot. I'm gonna get that, guys, next. Ice scrambler! This was 40 pesos. So not mix it yet.
So what is in it?
What's in it? I don't know. It's like shaved ice, milk powder, chocolate sauce as well. You're meant to like mix it up. You see the milk powder straight from the spoon, by the way. If you know, you know.
Tuloy ang epic food trip. Saksihan ang the best na tusok-tusok, juicy pork vivi, sizzling hotdogs, at legendary fish balls. Para pampalamig, walang tatalo sa 40 peso classic scramble syempre, kumpleto sa papak ng milk powder. Panoorin at siguradong maglalaway kayo.
Ang laki na tuto. Beto wax. Ikaw na. Walang lansak. Very smoky. Ang ganda ng pagkakaihaw. Malutong pa yung outer. Sarap. Hindi ko masasawa. May halong tubig. Hindi siya yung puro. So naman leego na... Gout is wavy. Halos katumbas niya is 5. 5 stick. Kasi kung 50 pesos to, and let's assume na ang isang ganito, 10 piso. 5 nga. Halos 5. Ang galing. Ang effort nilang gumawa nito, be. Oh, Isaw. Spaghetti. Ano na? Spaghetti tapos? Hindi yung best. Yung best? Manang kahit ano doon, sabi nila yung pumasarap doon yung MM. Kaya siya ganyan kanipis. Wala na siyang laban. And linis talaga. Isaw baboy. Ang linis na. And chicharong bulaklak. First time ko makakatikim nito. And first time ko nakakita na iniihaw siya. Chewy. Ang tenga daw. Ito. Walang buwak. Hindi siya effort ka, ano? Tanggalan. Ito naman tumbong. Nakain ka ng tumbong? Hindi. Ako pag malinis at saka pag mahal. Ang talaga. Sarap ng tumbong. At ito may atay. May ka. Kasi iba yung texture pag ihaw. Malambot? Hindi. Less grainy siya. Unlike pag pinapakulan lang. Parang siyang laman. May timpla siya. Manamis-namis. Ako yung adobo. Gilan ako! Hindi ka nila. Good job. Next naman is yung buchi. Ito din. Parang siyang ano, tingnan ng dagat na mushroom. Parang texture naman ito is. Ang pansin ko lahat sa kanila, malilinis ang gawa nila. Sila mismo ang naglilinis daw. Ba't dito malalaki? Ba't dito malaki? Kasi ang challenge is usually sa mga ihawan ng mga businesses. Ano bara-bara na lang? Ang bilis gumawa. Lalo pag malaki. So pag maramihan, naano na yung paglilinis na hindi nila pa priority.
Next level guilty experience unlocked. Hindi ito basta-bastang ihaw crispy isaw, rare grilled chicharon bulaklak, at super tender tumbong. Ang lupit kasi super linis ng pagkakagawa nila. When exotic street food is this clean and tasty, it's an absolute game changer.
Let's try the fried tofu, and it has a mix of a little bit of everything. What's the orange one called?
Cheese.
Okay, cheese. So we got cheese, we got mayonnaise. Let's do it.
Panoorin mo bakit ito tinawag na the best of food?
That looks good.
Masarap, masarap. Ooh, that's a good bite.
Very good. Masarap. Very good. Very good. The best tofu. More cheese, please. Thank you. Thank you.
Here's everything that I ate for $10 at the Tudapar night markets in Manila. First, I got a huge piece of barbecue squid for only $3.80, and along with that, I got a pork intestine skewer for only 60 cents. The squid had the perfect amount of chewiness and had great flavor. The pork intestine was super tasty, and surprisingly, it was really good. Next, I got a box of crispy deep fried crab and shrimp. This only cost me $3.80. Wasn't the tastiest, but it was still really good texture. And finally, I got a halo drink for just $2. This was sweet, delicious, and the perfect way to end the meal. I'm gonna try these chicken balls. Someone saw in one of my other videos, there were these orange balls. They said, try it, it's really yum. I'm gonna try these. This is supposed to be chicken, and they put sweet chili sauce on top. Oh! No, it's egg. Maybe they meant chicken egg, but it's like a small egg. That's really yum. Unless some of them are chicken, some of them are egg. No, they're egg. It's really good though. The yolk is very yolky. I don't think it's chicken egg. I think it's something else. Something else with a small egg. This was 25 pesos, which is, let me calculate. Okay, so it's 65 Australian cents, which is so cheap for a whole cup of these deep fried eggs. I'd rate this snack a 7.5 out of 10. I like it with the sweet chili sauce and it's tasty.
Plot twist. They thought it was chicken, pero itlog pala this famous orange street food. Ito the iconic Kwek paired with sweet chili sauce. At only 25 pesos for a whole cup, ito definitely solid sa sarap at super sulit.
Ooh, look, there's your taho.
There we go. Ooh, you know, one thing, I thought that it was gonna be cold, but it's actually warm, which is interesting.
Oh, nice.
But it makes sense because it's cold outside, so it makes sense. So let's give it a try. That's good. That's good. What I like about it is it's not too sweet. You definitely taste the strawberry, and it's warm. Which again, I thought the whole time when I first saw this, it was gonna be cold, but it makes sense since Baguio is cold. It's a perfect little sweet to have to warm you up here. You gotta give it a try. Good?
Oh my god, that's really good.
Tell me about it.
Oh my god, that's delicious.
Surprise! They expected cold dessert, pero mainit pala itong iconic Strawberry Taho. It is not too sweet, filled with real strawberry flavor, at perfect to warm you up sa malamig na weather ng Baguio. Super delicious at nakaka-in love ang sarap. Kayo, anong paborito nyo sa food trip na ito? Drop it in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, at samahan kami sa susunod na lamunan. See you on the next one.